In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with QuickBooks ProAdvisor. If you're a professional accountant, bookkeeper, or a finance consultant looking to level up your practice, the ProAdvisor program is a great way to build credibility, attract clients, and streamline your work in QuickBooks. First, confirm you're eligible. The program is designed for financial professionals, and you'll need a QuickBooks Online Accountant account to participate. This account is free and becomes your central hub for certifications, client work, and benefits. Next, create your QuickBooks Online Accountant account. Head to the site, choose Sign Up, and provide your basic business details. Verify your account, and set up secure login credentials. Once you're in, you can customize settings later, so don't worry about making everything perfect on day one. From your dashboard, open the ProAdvisor or Certifications area. Take a moment to explore what's included: structured certification training, marketing resources to help you stand out, built-in client management features, and software discounts that can reduce costs for you and your clients. Knowing what's available will help you plan how to use the program effectively. When you're ready, begin your certification. Choose the products that fit your work, like QuickBooks Online or QuickBooks Desktop. Use Intuit's training modules and practice exams to prepare. These mirror real workflows and are designed to build confidence. You'll take the exams online, and passing earns you an official ProAdvisor badge that signals expertise to clients. A helpful tip is to schedule focused study blocks and practice inside a sample company file so the concepts stick. After you pass, set up your ProAdvisor profile. Add professional details such as your company information, services offered, and areas of specialization. Upload a clear profile photo, list the certifications you've earned, and indicate your availability. If you opt in, your profile can appear in the QuickBooks Find a ProAdvisor directory. So write your description in client-friendly language and highlight the problems you solve. Now connect your clients. From your QuickBooks Online Accountant dashboard, select Add Client, then invite them to share access. This lets you track their books, support them efficiently, and collaborate in real time. Confirm permissions so each client sees only what they should, and encourage